got a good one. Alright guys, it's been about 2 weeks, but the Kentucky River Runners are back on the North Fork. Got us a new John boat here. It's actually a 1959 Eldorado. It's about 65 years old. And Eldorado means the golden one in Spanish. So they don't make them like this anymore, but hopefully we get a good video today. We're gonna try to catch some big smallmouth, and this part of the river's been known to hold a few big muskie. It's untelling what we'll hook into today, but also be sure to like and subscribe, because here in 2 weeks we got a 28-mile float. We're going to be floating down some of the best looking water in the Appalachian Mountains. Going to be camping out, catching some big fish, so be sure to stay tuned for that.
That's a good way to get by with it. Some places will fail you automatically for a deluder.
Yeah. They didn't me. Which all I done was drunk water. The old drug test fella took twice. I took a drug test, and he looked at it and he said, "You drink a lot of water?" I said, "Yeah, I do." He said, "Well,
Oh shoot!"
oh yeah." He said that might be diluted.
Did y'all see that? Just caught my first one of the day on the top water. Throwing a popper. Turn him back here. We want some bigger ones. Oh, that show looks fun.
Yeah. He ain't big enough to clean hardly, but.
Oh! Man, he hit that as soon as it hit the water.
Was he Kentucky?
Smallmouth.
It's
It's my second one of the day.
Here got away. Monster buck, son. Monster.
Dang.
He was a good one.
Oh! I told you I'd catch you another one, Josh. Just got a Kentucky bass on the Ned Rig. That's number 6 for me on the day. Hand on the right side. Golly, boys.
You got one?
Ned Rig, baby.
What's that?
They're turning on the Ned Rig. I'm using this June bug color. I'll show it to you in a minute. That's my number 7 of the day. On the he bending up a little bit, but this is a June bug Ned Rig. I got the brush guards on the hook. That's all we got. That's what we're catching them on. This one's got a little damage.
Got one.
Dang, boy, they in here. We might have to anchor down.
Is that a good? Gary with a decent smallmouth. First cast on the June bug. Where's Big Daddy at though? Josh with a good smallmouth. Smoking a cigar. Starting to turn on here. We've caught, how many you caught, Gary?
3.
Caught 13. Throwing a Ned Rig right now. Josh just caught a pretty healthy smallmouth. We're going to try to get a underwater release here. Where you want to go? Hang on. We docked the boat here for a second to get behind this log over here. Looks like a good hole. Gonna try to drag one out of here. We got the hillbilly anchor down here. Works pretty good. But here we go. Pull one out of there. Little guy, but can you double up, Gary?
crappie.
Got another good one. Ah, decent one.
Dang, I wish I'd been videoing you.
Here, what?
Before this four-wheeler gets here.
You coming up through here, I promise you, them 4-wheelers will disappear when they get up here.
I've got a good one. I've got a good one. That's a fish. It's a good one, Josh. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, man.
Oh boy. Oh boy. It's one of them I've seen this year too. But we've always caught them in here.
Had the camera rolling. Dude, that
You ain't sorry. That's a good one. You talk about eating, that's the best eating fish they are. Here.
You can
Cook that.
you can have it. That's my first ever walleye. I think that one. Josh got a dandy. Josh has got a good one. Nice fish. Nice fish. Peanut butter and jelly Ned Rig is undefeated. Look at Sherry, that ain't a bad one.
Not a bad one.
Yeah, just to update y'all, we've caught 30 what?
4.
We've caught 34 fish, 3 different species. We've caught a smallmouth, Kentucky bass, and 1 walleye, and I guess 4 species. We caught 1 rock bass, but we got a little bit left to go. I think we'll have a pretty good video, so stay tuned here. We still got a little bit to go. What do you think, Joe? Oh, that's a good. He bit hard. He ate that.
We ain't took no pictures. We're gonna have to take some pictures, man.
It's 18 of the day. I'm fishing with a Ned Rig because that's what they're biting. June bug color. Got one.
Good one.
Nah, he's our fun size. Not bad.
One picture.
Not a bad one, Sherry.
Tell Sherry to leave you alone, Jordan.
I don't want a picture. We're turning back. I haven't done much talking today, but well, we're at 39 fish now. Most of them's come off Ned Rig, but it's getting pretty stormy looking here. But you know what to say, that's probably when you catch a big one. So we're gonna keep going. Yeah, it's come a monsoon here. It's probably done fishing for the day, but we caught 39 fish. And if this thing passes, we might try to keep going, but it's starting to look pretty nasty out here. And we've seen a couple bolts of lightning, so we trying to get out of here, man. Trees falling around us, but we've had a pretty good trip. I'd say this is it. Well, we had to cut our trip short. I know it don't look like it right now, but it came a absolute thunderstorm. But we caught 39 fish and caught some pretty big ones too, and I think we'll have a pretty good video. But you know, I know Gary Michael and Josh here, I know they make it look easy, but it ain't always easy now. We've struggled a little bit today, but pretty good trip. If y'all like videos like this, be sure to subscribe. We got a 28-mile float coming up in 2 weeks. It's gonna be a 2-day trip and be some killer footage. So subscribe and stay tuned.